how to upload email contacts into Constant Contact. Okay, so first go to their website, then open your account. Once you've done that, just click on contacts here at the top or at the left, then click on all contacts. Okay, now from here just click on add contacts. Then you just need to either click on upload file or just open your file explorer and then just drag and drop your file from here. Okay, so once this loads like this, just need to click on continue. Okay, click on this one, make sure this is checked, and then click on import. Okay, as you can see, now I've imported one contact. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.